So let me switch back to the live demo. It's right here. So I've got a list of my apps right there in one of my environments. I have this manage permissions. So I've seen the new environment has been created. Let's say it's this one. And I see that there is an app. I see who's the current owner, when it was last launched, and app ID for my convenience. If I see that there is only one current owner and I want to change that, not necessarily go to the guy and ask him just to enforce his permissions, I just hit that, I hit manage permissions, and right here I can add user. I can select Steven, for example. There you go. And what I want from Steven, can he view? Can he edit? Let's make him an owner. So right away, in a single place, you can decide, you can manage your permissions on the app side of things and on flow side of things as well. So if I go to this, if I hit this email extraction, I can manage permissions from the. I can either add new owner or someone who can edit the flow, but also I can remove permissions from that place. The fourth pillar, so controlled path to productions. Again, many apps and flows do not start as a formal IT projects. They start as experiments, prototypes, or quick fixes for a local business problem. This is normal and often positive, but the common pattern is that the apps, even though it starts small, maker builds something quickly to help their team. The solution works, user likes it, everybody likes it, and more people begin to rely on it. Over time, the app becomes part of a real business process, but the way it is managed does not change. So it may still live in the same environment where it was first created. God forbid it's the default environment. It may still be edited directly by the maker. It may not be packaged in a proper solution, or it may not have a test environment, release process, version history, or rollback approach. In short, the business importance grows, but the life cycle discipline does not grow with it. And some examples, direct production edits. Why not go straight to the production environment and make edit right there, especially for small fixes? It's a quick way, it's beneficial way, but it's very risky. Another example, no test environment. So changes are tested by the same people who use the live app, or sometimes not tested properly at all. So we need a proper test environment, and we want to enforce that policy. No rollback plan. So if a change breaks something, the team may rely on manual fixes or of the original maker's memory. So there may be no previous version, no deployment history, no controlled way to restore a working state. So this creates a very fragile delivery model. So the point is, when the solution becomes important, it needs to move into a more controlled life cycle and do not rely on a single person, because that's way too risky.